Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Jess once again. So happy Sunday everyone. So ngayon mga guys ay isi-share ko sa inyo yung nagawa kong recap or recapitulation. So pwede nyo ito guys magamit sa inyong inset or in-service trainings, seminars, or any trainings na inyong aatenan. At kung ikaw ay na-assign as a recap. Ayan, so kung ikaw yung assigned as a recap or ibabalik yung past session ninyo, ikaw yung magre-recap kung ano-ano ang mga iyon. So without further ado mga guys, ayan, at isi-share ko sa inyo yung aking ginawang recap or recapitulation. So paano ko ba talaga siya nagawa in the first place? Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung greetings. Greetings from our heads, greetings to our colleagues, and syempre greetings yung mga nakakataas sa atin. So dapat hindi kalimutan yung greetings bago tayo mag-umpisa ng ating recap. So I'll give you an example. Just like for example, to our public schools district supervisor, so head natin yon. And then to our master teachers, yun. And to our dear colleagues teachers or participants coming from chu-chu-chu-chu, ayan. So, alam niyo yan kung ano yung idudugtong ninyo dyan. So, dapat meron tayong greetings. So, kung nandyan yung coordinator ng seminar or training, so, syempre, i-mention nyo rin siya. Ayan, so, dapat nandyan yung coordinator or kung sino man yung naka-assign sa seminar na yan or training. So, kung wala naman yung pinakataas na head, just like for example, wala yung PSDS ninyo or wala yung coordinator ng inset or ng training ninyo, just mention her for acknowledgement. And after nyo guys mag-greet or greetings, ayan, so proceed na kayo sa inyong introduction or either proceed na kayo sa inyong recap. So don't forget, recap is your rule. So kahit short introduction lang siya mga guys, it's okay. Just like for example, last Thursday, dated January 25, 2024, we have 4 speakers. So 2 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon, just like that. So, meron ka ng short introduction. So, ang gagawin mo na lang is proceed to recap na. So, once na natapos na ninyo ang inyong greetings and short introduction, proceed na kayo sa flow. Just like for example, so our first speaker was Dr. And she discussed about teaching styles and what is your dominant teaching style as a teacher. So, ganon. And she also discussed to us about demonstrator or being a demonstrator and a personal model. And another speaker was given to us by Dr. as she discussed about intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. So ganyan lang guys hanggang matapos yung last speaker kung ano yung kanyang discussion all about or the past session that you had. And then after that guys, don't forget na mag-create kayo ng inyong ending statement. Just like for example, that would be all, and I thank you. Or say it by a teacher coming from and have a nice day, and good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. That would be all mga guys, and that's all my sharing.